So in this video, you'll learn how to enable edge lighting for notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to add a bit of animation to any notifications you receive on your phone, the edge lighting feature can be incredibly useful. So in order for you to enable the edge lighting, you're going to have to start by navigating to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select notifications. And then from here, you're going to tap on notification pop-up style. Next, you want to look for add lighting feature and you're going to tap on it. And then from here, you can see effect. And then with different effects, you'll see different customizations that will appear at the top. So say for example, you choose to use glitter. When you come to advanced, you can choose to increase or decrease the transparency. And you can even see how it looks like in the preview. You can increase or decrease the width as well as the duration. If you choose something different, say for example spotlight, then you'll also be prompted to choose the color that you want with that specific notification. So you can choose to have it set to auto, so it will use your device colors, or you can tap on color and choose your preferred option. You can come back to advanced and you can choose to increase or decrease the transparency as well as increase or decrease the duration. So go ahead and have fun with the customizations that are available for you. And once you're happy with the choices that you've made, what you're going to do is just tap on done to save the changes. So now that lighting feature will appear every time you get a notification pop up on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.